Students, this video is on intersecting lines and parallel lines. So, what are called intersecting lines and which type of lines are called parallel lines? So, if there are two lines present in a plane and both of them have a common point, then these two lines will be called intersecting lines. Okay, if look at the definition of your textbook, if there is a point P common to two lines L and M, we say that the two lines intersect at the point P and point P will be designated as the point of intersection of the given lines. Now suppose there are two lines. Look at the solid lines. So up to this can be described like that. Suppose this is a line, okay, and this is another line. Are they intersecting lines? No. But if we extend it furthermore, as they are lines and the direction is like that, then they will surely intersect each other at this point. Okay, so what is the definition of intersecting lines? If there are two lines present in a same plane and there is a common point where both the lines meets, then these two lines will be called intersecting lines, and this point, suppose this is O, this point O will be called point of intersection. Okay, suppose this is M N and this is P Q. Okay, so these two lines will be called intersecting lines. Now coming to the next is parallel lines. Suppose there are two lines present in a same plane but there is no common point between them, then these lines will be called parallel lines. Suppose these are two given lines and there is no common point between them, and the length between these two lines must be similar through all over the length. Okay, so the length, this difference between these two lines will be similar whole the length, then these two lines will be called parallel lines. Suppose these two lines also present in same plane but there is no common point in between them right now, but they are not parallel lines. Why? Because the distance at this point is that much and at this point this is like that. So this will not be designated as a parallel lines. This is not parallel lines. This is parallel lines because the difference between these two lines are similar throughout the length. So these will be called parallel lines.